Hi folks, welcome back. Let's proceed with step 11, shall we? It's the time we start styling our markers. You might be wondering, where are they? Am I blind? No, you're not. You just gotta fill colors in the container. Firstly, let's create a marker class and set its background color to red. If you remember, you'll not see any changes yet. Step 12. I know you don't remember because I didn't tell you yet, that's why. The division container element doesn't have anything in it yet because it doesn't have any height by default. Let's give our container/marker a shape by setting its height to 25 pixels and width to 200 pixels. It's gonna look more like a red tape than a marker for now, but that's okay. Soon we're gonna bring it to life. Step 13. It's classy to keep markers in the center. We got an easy way to do it by using margin shorthand property. If we just set margin to auto, it sets all four sides to auto, which brings our marker to the center. Step 14. Okay, one marker is done. Let's add two more markers, which means we gotta add two more division elements in the container and give them each a class of marker. You might be thinking our marker is growing thicker. No, it's not. All three markers are kept so close that it looks like one for now. I know it looks like one big red tape, but play along, okay? Step 15. So let's add space between all three markers to make it easier to look at. For that, we gotta make some changes to the margin here. Margin shorthand property has two values. The first value sets for both top and bottom, and the second value sets for both left and right. It makes sense to use margin shorthand if it's a rectangle, I guess, am I right? Correct me if I am wrong. For our markers, the top and bottom margin value gonna be 10 pixels each, which gonna reduce marker size and give space between all three markers, and left and right gonna be auto to keep it center. Step 16. You know, marker is already a class, right? But we need to give each marker a unique class, because we need 3 different color markers, right? So guess what? We can give additional unique class to markers to style them uniquely. In CSS file, if we style something under marker class selector, it applies for all 3 markers. If we want to style each one separately, we can style them using unique class selector. To differentiate, let's add 1, 2, and 3 to each class. But for this step 16, let's just add 1 to first marker. Step 17. They want us to remove the background color property and its value from the marker class selector. Because we want to color them separately with unique class selectors, that is 1, 2, 3. Because color is not common among those markers. Step 18. Let's create a new CSS rule that targets the first marker, aka 1, and set its background color to red. Step 19. Yeah, that was the tutorial of one marker. Let's repeat the same process to other 2 markers and color them with different colors. Step 20. Same steps again. Create the class selector called 2 and set its background color to green. Create another class selector called 3 and set its background color to blue. It might look like some nation's flag for now, but don't lose hope. Soon we're gonna make it look like markers. Alright, that's all for today, folks. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you in the next one.